water's running out because there's no stem in this one. See it down there?
So what I'm going to do is I'll get this one up, we'll block this, we'll take it off, and then the other side I'll have to get that up.
Here again with our tire man here, and he's removing the stem so that he can get the water out of the tire. Got to get all that out there. That one's at about 2/3 full. The tire on the other side was really low, less than half. So anyway, that's what he's doing. He's releasing the water out of that tire so that we can get it ready to pull it off. So tried to speed this up to get through it, but we're getting that project done here. So it'll be nice to see these wheels off. Yeah.
All the block is about right here.
Well, we got that wheel off, getting ready to put some blocks under, get it jacked up so it can sit there until we get the painting done on the rims. We move around the other side, getting ready over there. Get that pulled off too. Trying to speed through a little bit here as we go. It was cold out this morning, and by the way, the noise you hear in the background in most of the video is the compressor on his truck. Also running the air tools. Those tires were heavy, even with the water removed out of them. It was all we could do to move the things. He wrestled them around, but I guess we're getting old. We had to work hard to get those things moved out to my shop where we could get them painted. They were pretty hard to get them off too, as they were rusted on there on the center on that hub. So I had to spray some lubricant stuff on there to break them loose and then kind of beat on them some, especially that front wheel. It did not want to come off, but he finally got that off with that hammer. He had slide hammer, so anyway, got that pulled off.
Moved it all? No. Oh, well, that's well, it's moved.
Hasn't it?
A little tiny bit. Do a spin? No. Now that we've got the back jacked up, I think it's actually moved. It's going to come right off here in a minute. All right. There it goes. This here's a slide hammer.
Yeah, those are nice.
Yeah, alrighty, I'll use this on that back one. Actually, I'll block this up first.
we'll go ahead and end the video with rolling off that tire. And thanks for watching. Keep watching for the next one. Well, the next one I think I'll be doing about the hydraulics. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Bye for now.